Let's do this.
Recording here.
Yes, hit it. There we go. Yes, it is Anthony Smith and my main man.
Yo, P in the building with a raspy ass voice today, y'all.
Man, we both sick in here. Welcome 2020 though. Happy New Year, y'all.
What's up, motherfuckers?
Yeah, we made it. You know what I mean? It's going down, man. Sorry for the echo. We're in the new studio. We've been building the studio since we started Chop It Up, but we didn't realize the difficulties or the intricacies. Is that how you say that shit? Listen,
They
nigga,
know what we're talking about.
how hard it is
right.
to put it together. You know what I mean? That's where I'm at with it.
It was more than what we thought. Goddamn.
Yeah, so as you guys grow with us, you guys are going to learn with us. So you guys already know myself, Nor P, is an audio technician. So this is all new. So, you know, we're going to do what we do, and we're going to figure it out, though, because that's what we do best.
Right, that's one thing we're going to do.
How was your New Year, though?
My New Year's was cool, man. You know, we just spent time with the kids, man. That's what's supposed to happen.
Old niggas.
Hey, you old.
Oh, I did the same thing. You know what I mean? I don't even want to play it like that. You know what I mean? It wasn't like I was out at the club like we used to be. Because we did that already, P. I'm not going to lie and not say we didn't have fun when we was doing what we was doing. But our DJ days are over. And now we filming and shooting pictures and stuff and podcasts.
Right, 100%. We back, y'all.
Yeah.
You know, it was crazy, you guys. You know, we got online and got super busy. I got super busy. You know, I always get into charity stuff around the holidays. So sorry that we took a little bit of gap off, but, you know, we had a lot going on. And we back. We back.
Man. I wasn't going to say sorry to y'all. I'm going to keep it 100. You know what I mean? You just got to get me when you get me. You feel me? This is our podcast. When we decide to come on, we come on this joint. And if y'all listen, y'all listen. You feel me?
Hey, somebody chime in and say, fuck you, man.
Nah, to keep it 100, man. Both me and P are sorry. Y'all know it was the holidays. We had to make sure we got these babies right because we family men now. You know what I mean? And it's new to all of us. So y'all included because we a family in here, right? This family.
100%.
But today, on Chop It Up, what we talking about? Okay, listen, I want to talk about my up and coming. I don't even want to call it New Year's resolution. I'm gonna call it goals or checklists or what I plan to do for the year and see if I can accomplish multiple of these things because me and checklists don't really get along.
I can attest to that. Anthony is definitely go with the flow, fuck a goal.
Yeah.
I just want to get to the top.
Yeah. Hey, but we getting there. You know what I mean?
As you can tell by the sound of the studio.
We getting there.
He ain't scared, I'll tell you that much.
Listen, we gonna spend it. It might be the wrong way, but we gonna get there. We getting to the top, baby. So on top of that, we're going to drop some gems and let you guys know some of the YouTubers that we have been and are going to continue following more toward the end of the episode. But I want to pop it off with P first. Like, what's going on with the 2020? This is not only a new year, but a new decade. Like, what you planning?
Man, 2020 is just really really expanding on everything, really, man. You know, I feel like the wedding game has started like kind of coming automatically, so it's been that's been a blessing.
Yeah,
I want to do more exotic areas, I guess you can say.
Yeah, start booking those. Hey, that's
Right.
hey, get your mileage up, baby. When they start flying you in to get the weddings, hey, Pete have been flown in on multiple occasions, but I know what you're talking about. You need that Paris in your life.
Right. Somebody sent me I keep seeing Iceland.
Yeah. Ooh.
If you're in Iceland, I'm just letting you know right now. If I don't even need to, just get me there.
I'm gonna tell y'all like this.
just get me the plane ticket.
I only do one wedding a year, and this last wedding that I did made it. So it's 2020. You're not getting no weddings out of me. It's just not gonna happen. I'm sorry. I'm not shooting no pictures. I'm not doing no video. I might not even want to be in it, depending on who you are.
I felt for him on that wedding, man.
Man, 100%. It was. I mean, we made it do what it do, and if it wasn't for P, it would have been most definitely more of a catastrophe than what it was. But that's why my brother was there. You know what I mean? It was like having a top, what do they call it? Like a sheriff, the sheriff that's on the planes that you don't know he's on the plane, but he's on there. It was one of them. He was plugged in and they didn't know he was a backup cameraman without a camera. It was like that. We really got it in. We really made it happen. But either way it goes, it came out good. Everybody was happy. But I'm not doing no weddings in 2020, 2021. Y'all might call me in 2030 and I might tell you no. The bag better be heavy. I'm talking about I need Brinks to come and pick it up because I'm not messing with it. P, there you go. Kinks and Eaters. Y'all might be on the same boat. I don't know what they call it. I'm not Spanish. I'm El Negro around here. We might not be doing no Kinks and Eaters either. P, you can have those too.
Oh man, this dude is wild. So what's the goal you got lined up for the year?
No more weddings and Kinks and Eaters.
Outside of that, you gonna get Mexican stomped out, bro.
Hey, my bad. You know I love my Spanish people, my Boricuas, all of that. Babe, I love you. She's half of that. You know what I mean? So I love her too. I ain't trying to get in trouble today on here. We just having a good time. We happy that y'all hanging out with us over here on Chop It Up, man. We just having a good time bringing in 2020. I say this every year, but this year I got my calendar up. Y'all can't see it, but P, my calendar's up. So I'm trying to be a little bit more organized.
Hey, that motherfucker empty as fuck. Hey, I guess his goal starts tomorrow. There ain't nothing on that mug right now.
The phone is heavy. I need to update. See, that's what my problem is. So myself and P both, but P took the more organizational route. I didn't do that. We both got super professional overnight. And P went the professional route and I went the unprofessional route. And I just felt like my memory was what it used to be when I was 13 or something. Because what happens is I say yes to everything, book all kinds of stuff, try and remember it. And then the day comes up and I get a phone call like we still on for 3 o'clock. And I'm like, huh? Batteries is charged. I'm ready to go. Of course we on for 3. So what I'm trying to do is get that A1 out of my life. And at least just put it on the calendar. And then it also helps my lady know what's going on. So it's a visual standpoint for her, me, and the business in general. So I can add it up because we really do taxes around here. So this year we really doing, it's like a bad word, taxes around here. So I'm trying to get real professional and catch up with my man P on that standpoint and bring my professionalism to where my work is. And my work is good, professional. So the back end got to be professional. And it's just weird because on the dog end, my brother, my partner, he takes care of all of that. So I don't have to do it. But on the people end, it's still all me and I'm not doing a very good job. So first off, that's going to be my number one is getting a little bit more professional and putting stuff in my phone, transferring it over to the calendar, which I haven't done yet, which is going to happen. And then also I have my whiteboard. My whiteboard is underneath my calendar. And what the whiteboard is for, don't read what it says right now, P, because I haven't updated it. Stop. Why are you looking at it? P, stop. Listen. So you're going to bust me out on Chop It Up, and I don't appreciate it.
Bad, man, you can't even read that shit.
Listen, as long as I can read it, we good. The whiteboard is just to let me know what is in the queue, and that comes from the DJ days. So basically, the queue is what's going on.
The queue is full, y'all. I'm telling you, it's full and unorganized.
And that's going to be in order of shortest to longest, not like priority, but shortest to longest. So if I could come in here and knock some pictures out real quick, that's probably going to be on the top of the video that I just shot the previous day or the night before or whatever. So I'm just trying to get organized this year, y'all, and finish the studio because the studio is cracking. We're going to get y'all this video, but we got shadows in here. Yeah, we got echoes in here. It's a lot going on, but
there's a lot going on, y'all, in the studio right now.
But we in here. You feel me? We not in the back room no more stuff like we was in a closet like hot tamales, and I feel like y'all can hear that because y'all can hear this echo. But we in here, P.
Man, so another goal that I got is, man, just finish. There's always like a wish list of like gear to get. So there's a couple loose ends that I want to
tidy up,
like that. And it's just so that I can start experimenting and I've kind of seen some directions that my leads are going to kind of take me. So I definitely need to cater to those. And that's just something that I've always done. I don't overbuy. If I'm not going to use it, I don't buy it. I'm not even taking no shot. You already chimed in.
You taking shots, bro. I heard the bang, bang. I wish I had a gun sound effect because he just shot me twice. Did y'all hear him? Go ahead, P. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt. He just shot me, y'all. I'm over here bleeding.
If you like Ant, you buy shit just because you like how it look.
I know my Amazon lady. Personally. She waits when she rings the doorbell so I can open the garage and she can leave my package so it ain't sitting outside. Because I explained to her through my doorbell that all of my packages are very expensive around this thing. We run a business out the studio, out the back of the house.
Oh, this guy is too much, y'all.
I'm sorry. We in here having fun, man. Thank y'all for listening. Thank y'all for being here. Thank y'all for riding with us, man. Like, subscribe, comment, and send it to your homie.
Well, now what else are you doing?
So besides that, P does a lot of things, and I'm just kind of copying what P did last year for my New Year's resolutions. So if Chop It Up was around last year, y'all could have probably listened to some of this. And I'm just doing what he said he was going to do last year, this year. So number 2 for me is getting my editing speed up. When I get through with a project, I need to be through with a project. It don't need to sit in my queue, which is my chalkboard, because that was my number 1 thing is to get more organized. Number 2 is to finish things up a little bit faster.
Oh, man.
Sorry, y'all. P, why you gotta bust me out, man? You keep on.
You busted yourself out.
Bang, bang.
I wouldn't have said nothing. Bro.
I'm over here bleeding. Y'all would have heard him laughing in the background with the echo.
Oh, man. I think number 3, I'm going to explore some new elements. Step outside of my box to get a little bit more creative. If you guys aren't following folks out there, man,
follow my mans.
You got some super creative kids out there, man, and they're definitely pushing the creativity to make your picture look good. This day and age, just knowing how to shoot isn't enough.
No,
it's not enough no more. It's the standard. That's already going to come with the package. Nobody's going to be impressed that your footage looks good. Now you have to, on post-production, stand out. So that's some more stuff that I'm branching out on. If you guys been looking on my page.
So basically what P is saying for y'all people that don't understand is everybody can afford 4K. Even your phone could shoot 4K.
Right.
So if you shooting in 4K, it's not enough because guess what? My iPhone 10X. I think I got a 10X. I had to think because iPhone did that dumb stuff with the naming and it's like X and then XR and then they went to 11. So it took me a minute. I couldn't remember. It's the 10X.
Is this? You got a magnetic case?
Yeah.
Y'all, listen to this, y'all. That's his phone stuck on the table now.
Listen.
This dude.
Give me this. This is the reason why I didn't get the 11 Pro. Thank you very much because when I called them, they said they wasn't making the case no more because it didn't sell the way that they thought it should. And I could not find another magnetic case for my iPhone. So I didn't get the new phone because I love the case that much. I don't know if y'all ever have an accessory that you felt like you could not part ways with.
That's some shit I need.
But this thing right here is legit.
How many times do you get it stuck on a car?
Here we go. More shots. Bang, bang.
This dude be trying to walk away, pocket be stuck to the car.
Hey, not the car, but the refrigerator. Hey, go in the refrigerator late night with the magnet out.
Get out that kitchen, boy. I heard your phone slap.
Oh my goodness. All right. See, that's enough about my phone. See, P always cracking jokes, man. I can't get nothing off.
Set it down. I didn't know it was gonna slap back down on the table that damn.
Trying to pick it up and it was like a 10-pound weight.
I was like, this phone. Oh, that's what it does.
It's the real deal, baby boy. So
I'm gonna add another goal.
Go ahead, knock it out.
Definitely get more fluid. I think that's both our goals is to get more fluid on not only just on a podcast level, but on a YouTube level as well.
For sure, 100%. We're not pros at this, you know what I mean? We're just like you guys, just two guys starting off. We might have been in it a couple more years than you guys have, but at the end of the day, we're still learning and on the grind day by day. And the only way that we can get better is with each other and with you guys. So you guys in the comments and us talking back and forth about what we could do to better ourselves, better this podcast, and better our filming and business in general.
Hey, I'm a shout out to the folks that listen to us, man, because I'm gonna tell you that, you know, we took a little hiatus and
it was known.
Right.
It was known in the streets.
I'm gonna be real, like I thought I was talking to nobody this whole time. You know, we see the numbers, we see the stats, but like shout out to you guys for actually like asking. I'm like, yo, when's the next episode dropping? You know, that put the fire under my ass. Like, I need to get back to this. Like, I understand, you know.
I do this because I like hearing myself. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Hey, if y'all ain't never podcast, put some headphones on, talk into a mic. Boy, if you don't fall in love, something wrong with you, boy. It was like the first time I got dressed up and seen myself in the mirror. You ever went to a wedding and got all dressed up and jumped in the mirror? You was like, nigga, that's me. That's how I felt when I turned this mic on. So, I mean, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all the same as P. But at the end of the day, I do this for me.
Well, that's where he's at with it. But I appreciate that, man. Like, it really it's cool because it's, if anything, it lets us know what we talking is valuable to somebody. And if it wasn't valuable to nobody, we could just talk to each other. We do that shit all the time anyway. So appreciate you guys, you know, reaching out and everything. You know, we covered a handful of our goals for this new year. Hope you guys are ready, man, because we definitely coming heavy.
Woo! Y'all better be ready on the content end, on the podcast end, on the YouTube end, because we coming to hit y'all.
All right, y'all. Thanks for chiming on in with us. We appreciate you.
Chop, 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 chop. Welcome back, niggas.
Where did you get that middle ass case though, for real?
You gonna quit busting me out.